Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to have two accounts in Monopoly Go. So it is actually quite easy, but make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So if you have an account that is already connected into your Monopoly Go and you want to have another game that is connected into another account, so you basically have two accounts in Monopoly Go. So if you want to do that, what you need to do first is to check if what account is already connected into your Monopoly Go. And then after doing so, just exit out of your Monopoly Go and head into your settings just like so. And then after that, just head into the apps and then manage app, and then in here just simply locate Monopoly Go. So I'm just going to tap into the storage, and then what I'm going to do here is to clear the data and the cache of my Monopoly Go. So what we'll do, I'm just going to click clear all data. So what will happen, it says right here that all app data, including files, settings, accounts, databases, and cache, will be permanently deleted. So after you have deleted your, or after you have deleted the data of your Monopoly Go in your device, what will happen is that the account that you have connected with your, or logged in with your Monopoly Go, will be simply logged out, and then after doing so, you can now connect another account in your Monopoly Go. And that's how you can have two accounts in Monopoly Go. So it is actually quite easy, right? And so that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye.